Hello everyone. In this video, I'll guide you how to fix Facebook dating not showing up. There are a few different methods we can try, so let's get started. First, make sure you meet the eligibility requirements to use Facebook dating. If you don't meet these, that could be why it's not showing up. Open any browser on your phone, then search for Facebook dating requirements. Facebook has a help page that lists everything you need to access it. Here are the main requirements. You need to be at least 18 years old. Your Facebook account must be in good standing and at least 30 days old. If you delete your dating profile, you won't be able to make a new one for 7 days. Facebook dating is available only in certain countries, so check the list to make sure it's available where you are. If you meet all the requirements, let's go back to Facebook. Now, depending on your device, either tap the menu button at the bottom right or the top right of Facebook. Go to Shortcuts and tap See More. You may find the dating option there, even if it's not in the main bar at the bottom. If you find it, you can tap it and get started. If you still can't find it, tap the gear icon at the top right. Scroll down to Preferences and locate the navigation bar. If you're having trouble finding it, you can use the search tool at the top right. Tap Customize the bar. Dating may be set to hidden, so change it to auto or pin to add it to your navigation bar at the bottom for easy access. If you still don't see dating and you meet all the requirements, it might be a glitch. In that case, try reinstalling Facebook. On Android, you can completely delete and reinstall the app. If you're on an iPhone, you can offload the app, which keeps all your Facebook data but reinstalls the app's files. To offload the app on iPhone, open Settings, scroll down to General, then tap iPhone Storage. Find Facebook in the list, tap on it, and then tap Offload App. Confirm by tapping Offload again. Once it's done, tap Reinstall App to download it again. After the app finishes reinstalling, open it up and hopefully Facebook dating will now be showing. If this video helped you out, feel free to buy me a coffee using the link in the description. This will support the channel so I can keep making more videos like this. Thanks for watching.